Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot on Android. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. There's a bunch of different options that you can have. One of them actually being the normal, power, volume down button and the power button, basically going to take a screenshot. But there's a couple of different things that are exclusive to different things that different ways you can do. So first of all is you're going to settings. Oh yes, and one of those things are if you go on swipe down up to your navigation bar, and then you scroll down a little bit over here, and then again you're going to find something called take screenshot. Normally it's not here, but if you click on the add button, you're going to find it over here, the available buttons. If I click and I just take this and I click on it, and then I add it onto this onto the quick navigation bar over here. If I click on take a screenshot, it's going to literally take a screenshot of my phone. One thing actually you're going to do is actually something called quick ball. If I can just remember the name, quick. I don't know. I can't remember its name. So basically, it's this option over here. If I click on it, as you can see, you can find a bunch of different options, screenshots and stuff. So the place where you find it is that you scroll down all the way to accessibility, and from accessibility, you're going on to interaction and dexterity, and then you're going to click on assistant menu. Once you have it, you're going to click on it, and then you have a bunch of different options: the recents, home, back, screen off, volume, screenshots, and a bunch of different options that you can use to take a screenshot. Now another thing also that is only exclusive to Samsung, I'm going to show it, is that when you go over here and you go on something called advanced features, and then on motions and gestures, you're going to have something called over here palm swipe to capture. Once you swipe your palm on the screen, it's going to take a screenshot. So those are 3 ways so you can take a screenshot, guys, on an Android. Thank you so much for you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you